Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I myself was able to fix lag in my Pokemon TCG Pocket app. So if you're currently facing lag on your app and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did firstly is that I closed my app and instead I went into my settings app. So go into your settings app and now you should be taken to a page similar to this as you can see. And now scroll down in here until you can see where it says general, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on general in here. Now scroll down again and then click on storage. So click on storage because it should now take you to this page, which is great. So now on this page, you're just going to scroll down until you get to the Pokemon TCGP app, as you can see. So just click on it. Then what you're going to do on this page, you're going to click on offload app. And of course, you're going to click on Upload App here once again, wait a couple of seconds and click on the blue button here again. Now you need to wait for the app to completely update to the newest version, because when they actually release a new update and you don't have it yet, you might experience a bunch of bugs, and lag being one of them. There is other like black screen and stuff like that can also happen when you don't have a new update. And as you can see, it says Upload App here once again for me now, and that means that my app is now actually completely auto updated. So we can now go back into the app and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.